Hi guys, so today we'll be looking at the guide 2000W HeatGun. So the reason why I purchased this is I'm going to be doing some custom wraps on my BMW E90. So I thought I prefer to use a heat gun than using a hairdryer. So let's just quickly look around the box. So as you can see at the front, all it says is 2 years, so you get 2 years guarantee. That's the model number, the PHG200GL. So it has rubber overmold, reduces vibration and fatigue. So basically it's got a rubber casing, so it should reduce the heat transfer out. And then looking at the back, you got a bit more detail, so ideal for stripping paint and varnishes, as well as drying and shaping plastic. So you got the technicals, you got 3-position airflow, 50 Celsius to 1 to 50 Celsius, 500 L per minute, and then you have option 2, which is 400 Celsius, 250 L per minute, and then the final option, which is 600 Celsius, which is 500 L to per minute. Built-in work support stand, features a 2-meter cable, weighs just below a kilo, overheating protection, and then it contains inside the box you get a scraper, a glass protected nozzle, flat nozzle, hook nozzle, and concentration nozzle. So let's just open it up. So on either side you have the plastic stickers. Remove the zip tie, you just open it up and you're introduced to the heat gun. So the heat gun is fairly large, and as you can see, you got all the accessories. They don't really sit in there very sturdy, but yeah, you have all the accessories. At the top you have your manual in here, just shoved in here. We won't need to look at that. Fairly straightforward when you turn it on. So let's just get it out. So at the back you have your on and your 3 settings. As you can see, it shows a 1, a 2 and a 3. You pick which setting you want. Doesn't sit in each setting very easy, but yeah, as you can hear, it does lock in. You've got your vent at the back and at the front, and you have your heat gun component at the front here, which takes the attachments in. It is very light, guys. It's very light. It's lighter than I'd say most hairdryers. It's very light. It's got a 2-meter cable as mentioned, so that should be enough to reach. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just turn it on and see how it sounds. So once plugged in, there is no indication of power, but if we turn it on, as you can hear, quite loud, and that's on the first setting. Not too hot there. Getting the torque quieter. And on extreme. So just to let you know, guys, I can really smell almost like burning plastic. Doesn't smell too nice. It could be just because it's, sorry guys, I don't know if you heard that, but I could smell really strong burning plastic. That could just be from the material heating up for the first time, but it does smell really strong. And as you can see, there is smoke coming out the front, which doesn't give me a lot of comfort. It literally smells like burning plastic. But yeah, so what I'll do is I'll test this through and see how it goes, guys. If you like this video, please like, thumbs up would be great, and subscribe. Peace out.